There are many ways to create designs in Canva, and we've already established in previous videos that even the free version gives you a lot of flexibility. But what I'm about to show you in this video and the next ones is how to take things further by using Canva's AI tools, specifically Magic Studio. These tools can help you design faster, automate tedious tasks, and create stunning visuals with just a few clicks. If you're a beginner, learning how and when to use these features can save you a lot of time while still producing professional results. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel. Choose any canvas size that matches your project so you can start working right away. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the Upload section and add any photo you want to use in your design. After adding your image, select it and hover your cursor over the floating toolbar, then click on Edit. This will open a panel on the left side where you'll find Magic Studio, which contains Canva's AI-powered tools. Let's start with the basic ones: Background Remover and Background Generator. These tools focus on editing the foreground and background of your image, and they're some of the easiest features to use. First, the Background Remover. This is one of the quickest tools to access because it has its own button on the floating toolbar. You don't even need to open the editing panel. Once you click it, Canva will automatically remove the background from your image. This works best with clear images, but it can also handle more complex backgrounds as long as the photo is high quality. Next is the Background Generator. When you click on it, a prompt bar will appear where you can describe the background you want. Canva will then generate a new background based on your input. This makes it easy to completely change the setting of your image without needing to manually design anything. You can also combine these two tools by first removing the background and then generating a new one. This gives you full control over how your final design looks while keeping the process fast and simple. Now that you know how to use these basic Magic Studio tools, you can start experimenting with different styles and backgrounds to enhance your designs. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just learned how to use some of the core features inside Canva's Magic Studio to create stunning designs more efficiently. If you want to learn how to use the other tools inside Magic Studio, make sure to check out the rest of the playlist. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.